great to see you. Welcome back. Today we are making DIY face cleaning pads. If you watched my last video, I'll put it up somewhere so you can see it if you missed it. We made DIY poopery spray. This is 3 ingredients for DIY makeup remover pads. So let's get started. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but I've put some distilled water in my bowl already. All it needs to be is 3 equal parts. So I'm using this little scoopy thing because I couldn't find any other small measuring tool. Just defaulted to this and it'll be fine. The second ingredient that I'll put in here is witch hazel. This is from Walmart. It was, I think, $10. Arrow. And I guess it's an estrogen, so it just tightens your skin and your pores, so it's really good for your face. I'm going to pour this in next. Boop, 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 boop. And the last one is jojoba oil. I hope I'm saying that right. I got this at our local natural goods store. It's called Natural Living Center, and this was $11. Arrow, lay down. Arrow keeps hitting the tripod. But this was $11, and it should last quite a while if, you know, this recipe, should last a while, so I won't have to go through a ton because those ingredients can add up. But like the first time making it's more expensive than the second, and so on. So I'm gonna put this in there, same thing, equal parts. So if you wanted to make a bigger batch of this, maybe with like a really soft paper towel, you could cut, I saw some people cutting paper towel rolls in half and then sticking them in a big jar with this kind of mixture. Then you could just pull it out from the center. You could do, you know, a larger batch. So that's why it's nice to just do equal parts of these 3 ingredients. You don't have to, it doesn't have to be a certain amount, just as long as all 3 are the same size. So this is all ready to go. I have my face cleaning pads. These are exfoliant on one side and then soft on the other side. So I thought that would be a nice choice. And just any jar that has a tight sealing lid. And this is just a small mason jar. I don't know what size it is. I can't read it. Anyways, so I'm just gonna shove these in here. And oh, hold on. Wait. I want them to be flat on the bottom here. Okay. As far as I may take a couple out of here. I think I had too many. Just so that there's room for me to pour in the liquids. Okay. Fingers crossed. Let's not spill this. Okay. I'm just gonna pour it in as slow as I can. Now it's just gonna soak down and it's gonna absorb all into, you know, all the pads here, and hopefully it works well. I worry that wasn't enough liquid, but it doesn't have to be soaking wet. That's what I've heard. So I'm gonna let this absorb and see what happens. I might add more. Time will tell. If I do, I'll let you know. Please hold. Hey, I have an update for you on this makeup remover. And I did go back and add more when I really shouldn't have, I don't think, because the ones I have now that I added double what I originally had and you see in the video, and they're too wet. There's too much product on it.
And so I would have definitely stuck with what you just saw and let it absorb and just wait for it to all soak in. You don't need double that amount. Definitely not. So I'm really happy with how they work and how they make my skin feel. It feels wonderful after I use them, and they work really well. I have been using them for about a week now, and I'm really happy with them. Maybe like 5 days, but really happy. I definitely suggest this recipe. The witch hazel and jojoba oil are a great combo, and I feel like I love knowing what's in the ingredients that's going on my face, and it makes my skin feel really good. So I'm going to keep using them, and it's super easy to make, so I hope you might give it a shot. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.
Oh, hi! Yay! Mwah. He's a good boy. He likes this. He's a good boy. You got snot on my glasses. Thanks, bud. Blah, blah. Dog snot.